Goeiedag, good day, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. And this is your Commander-in-Chief speaking. And what are we talking about? Yeah, this lice-ridden hat. I have a new name for Julius Chameleon Malema, which I think fits so much better. But before I get all my head bitten off by lice, let me get rid of it. Okay, CIC no more. Julius, you are now known as LIC. Loser in chief. A loser. The loser. And what are we talking about here? We're talking about another court case where Malema is spending millions of rands trying to defend his reputation. The Honorable Julius Malema, the man who has no reputation at all, apart from putting his fingers in the till, which he has done in a huge way in Limpopo and with the VBS Bank. Wherever he can, those fingers go exploring and cleaning up. You know what I mean? Well, former EFF MP Tembinkosi Rawula, who resigned from the party earlier this year after accusing leaders Julius Malema and Floyd Shivambu of using party money to fund their lifestyles, has won the defamation court action instituted against him by Malema. The EFF leader approached the Eastern Cape Division of the South African High Court on May the 21st and accused Rawula of defamation as a result of the latter having accused Malema and Shivambu of financial mismanagement and of accepting a donation from the now defunct VBS Mutual Bank, which we know to be true. So how can that be defamatory? Crazy. Absolutely crazy. These allegations came just weeks after Rawula was excluded from the list of candidates who would be representing the EFF in Parliament and the provincial legislature after the May general elections. You know, there's one thing you got to say about these guys. Okay, I'm talking about the EFF. There's one thing that is so predictable. They've got to watch their own backs because they are all so corrupt that if one of them gets shafted, they're going to make sure the others get shafted. And that's what's happened here. Malema is now facing, well, he will be hopefully facing serious charges about what happened at the VBS, and so will Shivambu. Acting Judge N.J. Mullins ruled in favor of Rawula without any cost orders. Mullins ruled, in conclusion, as a Facebook post has been removed on April the 9th, I'm of the view the applicant would not have been even succeeded with an interim interdict, let alone a final one, and intend to dismiss the application. As a respondent appeared in person, I intend to make no order as to costs. The application is dismissed. Advocate K. Premid of Ian Olivet Attorneys argue on behalf of Mr. Malema had said there were no facts that supported Rawula's claim regarding the VBS accusation. Well, there are lots of facts now. The cover-up has been kind of blown away. However, Mullins said that because of Rawula's previous senior position, he was in a better position to prove that the claims were true. Mullins said due to his senior position in the EFF, he had certain information and he says the statements are true, and given the opportunity he will prove it. He does not rely on bare denial. Rawula, who is representing himself, welcomed the judgment, referring to it as a victory of public interest. He said, "It has put to rest all the things I had a problem with after putting my life on hold working on this case." He went on to say, "You will note that I was representing myself. It took my personal time and caused so much anxiety on my family. But overall, we welcome the judgment. My political life was also on hold because of this case. This is a victory of truth in the public interest." Malema said he was suing Rawula for 1 million rand after Rawula's accusations against him as Shivambu. The EFF leader then wrote to Rawula through his lawyers demanding that he retract his statement publicly. A defiant Rawula requested that the party disclose all organizational bank and credit card statements and invoices indicating payment to service providers since 2014. This man knows what's going on. And Julius, I reckon next year we're going to see you behind bars. And the day we do that, guess what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be popping a cork. Believe me, I'm going to be popping a cork. Alright guys, please remember to subscribe to be kept informed. Ring the bell for the updates. Please like and share this video. And above all, stay safe. Bye for now.